Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your work and entering edit mode. First, make a backup copy so changes are reversible. Once done, open the header or footer area by double-clicking the margin or using Insert Header/Footer. This puts you into the right editing context. Make sure rulers and hidden characters are visible so you can spot spacing issues. If the document uses sections, glance at the status bar to confirm current section before changing content. This prevents accidental global edits. You now handle the middle, more complex steps. Add section breaks where headers or footers must differ because headers inherit across sections otherwise. Once done, unlink each new section from the previous one by turning off Same as Previous. That lets you set unique content. Next, insert dynamic fields like page numbers, dates, or file names so updates are automatic. This avoids manual edits later. Also apply paragraph styles and adjust margins in the header area to keep spacing consistent across pages. You finish by locking in changes and verifying results. First, update all fields and the table of contents so page numbers and headings reflect edits. You select all F9 or the document's update command. Then export to PDF to confirm final layout and check that headers and footers appear as expected across different viewers. If something goes wrong, headers repeating or not updating, unlink the section, clear the header content, reinsert the correct fields, and reapply styles. That typically resolves inheritance and formatting conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.